everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another video. This is gonna be a walkthrough, y'all. Also, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one? Thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, all of that stuff. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. Do all those things. I really do appreciate it. But let's get into this video, y'all. As y'all do see, semi-annual sale is still going on. They had a lot of 75% off body care. So much. Oh my goodness, they had so many items. I was super shocked to see this many 75% items in the store still. I'm not sure what's going on, but I didn't need anything, so I really didn't buy anything because I bought a lot of the stuff that I was looking for at the beginning of the sale. So I was really cool. I was just kind of looking. I remember at the beginning of semi-annual sale, people was looking for this collection, and now as y'all see, it's just sitting. It looked like they only had the body mist. They didn't really have a lot of like the lotion or the shower gel. It just looked like they had more of the fine fragrance mist. So maybe that was the last item to come to the stores. I'm not sure. Something you have to be aware of is this. These candles were 75%, but as you see, they have a 50% tag on them. So when I asked the young lady at the door, were they 50%? Of course she said yes, but I did a price check, and again, they were 75% off. So always do a price check. I haven't been to the store in a couple of weeks, probably maybe 2 weeks, but I do see they have new men's care, this Clear Horizon, and they got the hand sanitizer spray in the slate. This is the first time I've ever seen these items in the store, and I could have just been overlooking them because I hardly ever look at the men's stuff, to be real honest. Every once in a while I look at it, but yeah. So I was surprised to see that they have a hand spray for men, which is really good. These new soaps, oh my goodness, this sweet sandalwood, oh, I have to get this one. If I don't get any soap, I must have this one. And trust, I don't need no soap, but I gotta have that one. I like the bottles. The bottles is a little plain, but I still like it. I'm just so happy spring is here. Spring is my favorite time for Bath and Body Works items. You know, I just love their spring collection, and with all these new hand soaps, it's just making me excited. Plus the new candles, oh my gosh, I was so excited to get back in the store because like I said, I haven't been in the store in weeks, and everything looked so new. This Wildflower rose, I need to smell that. I just looked at it. I didn't open anything or smell anything. I was just so excited to be back into the store. But they had so many new items, y'all. So many new items. this turtle candle holder is really nice. It have a little weight to it, so it's really made good. But I can't see myself paying regular price for this because it just don't go with anything that I'm doing here at my house. So this is an item that I most definitely will wait until spring semi-annual sale to come around to grab something like this. Now these are the candles your girl been waiting on. Oh my goodness, I was so excited to get into the store and grab a few of these candles. Oh my goodness, I was so happy when Bath & Body Works finally decided to give us a sale. Even though it's not a super good sale, but I'm just happy to be able to grab some of these candles. As y'all do see, some of the Valentine stuff is out. I really like this candle holder right here. But the thing is, I don't really like my labels covered. So this most definitely is something I will pass on. But again, spring semi-annual sale. If this goes $75, then yes, I will grab something like that. As far as this candle holder, it's a waste. I'm just saying, it's a waste of money. Yes, that little marble slab have a little weight to it, but it's just a cover for your candles. Yes, I will purchase it if it went 75%, but regular price is a pass for me. It's a pass for me. I feel like you could get something cheaper, probably at Walmart or Amazon, somewhere like this. I just feel like this is just a waste. I'm just saying. Yes, yes, yes. Champagne Margarita. I've been waiting on this because everybody been saying it smells like frosted Moscow Mule. So y'all know that candle hasn't returned. So this is probably the closest we're gonna get to this candle. So if you see it, grab it. This fresh coconut and cotton, I have to have this as well because y'all know your girl love coconut. So when I go back to the store, I most definitely will grab 2 of those candles. I truly really love these bright candles. This jar, the bright jars, love it. I really like these desktop hand sanitizer holders, so I will be grabbing one of these. Hopefully I could use a reward for it because I think they're around $15. So yeah, I will be grabbing this. Also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Let me know, did you participate in this $10 off sale? I know some people got a $15.95 sale. We didn't. I wish we did, but we didn't. But let me know, what did you buy on this sale? And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.